You're welcome to another video. Today I want to look at integration of definite functions. So we are told to evaluate the integral, and the limit is from -1 to +1 of x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 with respect to x. So I'm going to take you through step by step up to the final solution. So if you're watching us for the first time, kindly remember to subscribe, like, comment. So let us dive into the solution. So the first approach that I'm going to use, there are so many approaches to this particular solution, but I'm going to take you through the basic one. If you look at this, it is a cubic function, but has been separated in terms of its product. So the first approach, I'm going to expand this particular function. I have x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. So expanding this function, I'm going to start by expanding it from here up to there, so that taking you through step by step, I'm going to start with x and then multiply by all of this, and then take -2 multiply by that. Expanding it further, I'll have x squared minus x, of course I'm opening the bracket, minus 2x plus 2. Collecting like terms, I'm going to have x squared minus 3x, of course, plus 2. So that is the expansion of this particular point up to this. And then remember, outside I have x plus 1. So the same approach I'm going to use. I'm going to take x, I'll multiply by everything. X squared minus 3x plus 2. And then I'm going to take the positive of 1, multiply by the same bracket, x squared minus 3x plus 2, like that. Opening the bracket again, I'm going to have x cubic minus 3x squared plus 2x plus x squared, I'm multiplying by 1, minus 3x plus 2. So when collecting like terms, I'm going to have x cubic minus 2x squared minus x plus 2. So this is a simplified expansion of this particular problem that I have. So I'm going to replace the definitive integral from -1 up to 1, that is the limit of x cubic minus 2x squared minus x plus 2 with respect to x. So when I know when I integrate, I'm going to integrate each term separately. So when I integrate x cubic, I'm going to get the power increases by 1. So I'm going to get x raised to 4, and then I divide by that power, and then come here, the power also going to increase by 1, so it is x cubic, and then divide by that power, minus here the power increases by 1, so it will be 2, divide by 2, plus here the power also increases by 1. It was a constant, so it is that, of course, plus a constant, and the limit remains 1, negative 1 to 1. At this stage, I'm going to introduce 1 by substituting it wherever I have x, so that I have 1 raised to 4 divided by 4 minus 2 in bracket 1 cubic divided by 3 minus 1 squared divided by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1. I've just substituted the upper limit 1 and then subtract the lower limit. The lower limit, I'm going to have negative of 1 power 4 divided by 4 minus 2 in bracket negative 1 cubic divided by 3 minus negative 1 squared divided by 2 plus 2 in bracket negative 1, like that. So I have the upper limit and I have the lower limit. So I'm going to use the normal operation of numbers, and of course simplifying it further, I'm going to have on my upper hand or upper limit as 1 over 4. So it will be a quarter minus 2 all over 3. Of course, when you cube 1, you just get the 1, minus a half plus 2, subtract the lower limit. I'm going to have, of course, bracket. If you cube that, I'm going to get, so I'm going to have, of course, when you cube, when you take this power 4, you get negative 1 over 4, you get positive, 1 over 4 minus, of course, this is then plus, of course, when you cube this, you get a negative times a negative, you get positive 2 over 3 minus a half minus 2. So guys, when you're still watching us for the first time or you are still there, remember to like this video, share, leave a comment using the alternative approach. So on this other side, the upper limit, if you take a quarter minus 2 over 3 minus a half plus 2, solving it clearly, you're going to get 13 over 12 minus, on the lower limit, that minus negative 19 over 12. On this other lower limit, of course, solving it further, I'm going to get 13 over 12. Negative and negative is positive, so it's going to be 19 over 12. Which, of course, when you add, you're going to get 32 over 12. 32 over 12, which can be simplified as 8 over 3. 8 over 3, which can be further simplified as 2 whole number, 2 all over 3. You're going to get 2 all over 3 as our final answer for this particular integral question. So we come to the end of this tutorial. Kindly remember to like, comment,